Hey guys, what's up? Today I will be doing another Minecraft video, where today we will be doing a review on Minecraft tool thingy. Oh well, it's a cool Minecraft tool thing. You've probably already heard it, but hey, here's a review. I'm a Minecraft tool thingy-majigger. So you've got this mini map already preset. I had to set this function, but I'll show you that in a little bit. But there's this little M, I think it stands for mod, where you can, well, you can do a lot of things. You can switch your game mode from creative to survival. If you're in survival, you can, well, let me just do something. One sec. Actually, wait. Let me grab that sand. I'll show you that in a second. Just get up here, pop, and pop. Just let me get my health really down. If you tap into here, you can restore your hunger. As you can see, you've got a mini map, really smooth with all of the mobs in the area. You can switch your dimension. You can have no clip on, which means how do you go down? How do you go down? It's also got a mini map, as you saw. It's also got an X-ray. I can just dig down right now. I know I'm digging straight down. Oh no, I'm breaking the #1 rule of Minecraft. Who cares? And I have found myself an emerald. Wait, no, I haven't. Not yet. There, emerald. In this nice little cave system. And then I'll just scoot down. And then bop bop, bop bop, bop bop, bop bop, and boom, we're standing right on top of some diamonds. Nothing really too special, or actually it is. But you guys get the point. It is awesome. Another cave. Just pop. And then up. So you can add items, you can find items. Some of them are really odd because there's like the fire item. Yes, fire does exist as an item. If I switch myself over to the survival, it uses up the fire as if it was an item, because, well, it is. Owie! In the water. Let me actually install my hunger. How does it work? just that you can turn the game speed up, which just makes the game go faster. It can lag, as you can see. Well, it's not really lag. Actually, it is. That's because every mob in the area is, well, you can see every mob in the area happens to, oddly enough, be moving so fast. You can actually, like, see that cow. It's, like, moving so fast. I just picked up some wood. And you can also turn the game speed down. It looks so cool in third person. Am I crouching? Who knows? As you can see, super slow motion, cool. And you know, this is normal frame speed again. And then you can increase your player speed and have the game speed slower, so you know, the entire game. Well, you're so fast in boss. Well, you're faster than everything else. You look kind of like a Quicksilver Flash, you know, just zooming through. Like every single jump you make is slow-mo. Make it look so cool. And yeah. I know my volume's down, but I forgot my headphones, and so it sounds horrible when I have my when I don't have my headphones on, so yeah. But at least you can go really fast while running. And well, the rest of the game is just really slow. It just looks so cool. And so you can add almost all of the items. There's like random weird. You can place them, but they're invisible blocks. So not sure. Can you stand on these? Just place one there. You can't. It's invisible. Invisible block. So, you know, just run into the world. You can also spawn entities. So, like if I want to be like Cole McGrath from Infamous, not a paid sponsorship. But